frustrations, desires and fears from men in Australia in regards to mental health. One of the biggest frustrations for blokes going these days is the stigma surrounding seeking help. Now, what guys actually want is some accessible, affordable mental health services, but they fear being perceived as weak or unmanly. Another frustration is the lack of understanding or support that guys get from their friends and family. Now, what they really want is to be feeling understood and accepted, but they fear losing control of their emotions or their mental health. One of the other frustrations is, real pressure to conform to traditional masculine norms. And really what they just want to be feeling emotionally stable and some resilience. But they fear being judged for seeking professional help. Another frustration for men in Australia with regards to mental health is having difficulty expressing your emotions. Of course, what they really want is some meaningful connections and relationships. But they fear not being able to fulfill societal expectations, if you like. Another frustration is the stress that they get from work pressure. And when you talk to them, what they really want is some work-life balance. But they fear negative impact on personal and professional relationships. One of the big frustrations is feeling isolated or lonely. And of course, what they really want is to be feeling confident and in control. But the fear is the impact on their physical health just because of their mental health issues. And of course, one of the big ones for a lot of guys is the financial worries that mental health can cause. What they want is living a fulfilled and purposeful life. But they're fearful of facing discrimination or prejudice. Another frustration is the impact on relationships. What they want is to be able to cope with life's challenges. But they fear, being a burden to their loved ones and their families. One of the biggest frustrations that guys in Australia have in regards to their mental health is negative self-talk and low self-esteem. And what they really want is to have a sense of belonging and community. But they fear, there's a real fear of failure, in various aspects of their life. Another frustration is limited access to mental health resources and professionals. And of course, what any guy wants is being able to feel empowered to seek help when you want it, when you need it. But it's not that simple. And so, this fear of the unknown.